Disney's Alien Swirling Saucers ride invites you to take an intergalactic spin with the adorable aliens from the movie Toy Story. The attraction opened in June 2018 as part of the Toy Story Land expansion at Disney's Hollywood Studios and is themed like a giant playset that Andy won at the fictional restaurant Pizza Planet. The ride is similar to Mater's Junkyard Jamboree at Disney's California Adventure Park, except this time you're piloted by everyone's favorite little green men. This experience is about 2 minutes long and provides gentle thrills for all ages as your spaceship whips back and forth while circling the platform. The ride cars seat 2 to 3 people each, but guests need to be 32 inches or taller to ride. Now let's take a spin on the Alien Swirling Saucers.